as a creator, don't look at me and like, Christine, you're superb. No. In this era, everybody is a wow. What you need to do is to dive higher and do the do's. I always tell you, it's not as simple as we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, there are other essential things that you need for you to find you're making money online. I've been using these tools that I'm going to share with you. They have made me make money online. Even when my content might not look good, it makes good. They make it good. Even when I run out of ideas, it gives me ideas. Even when I feel I'm already on the edge of the wall, it brings me near. I would come to brag about these essential apps that transforms my content, that can transform your content. If you want to be a beginner as a creator, or you have been a creator and you feel you're just pushed on the wall, please, I welcome you to the world of Immaculate Show. That these apps have really made me, should I call it, which term can I? They have made me love content. And here we are. I'm going to share with you all these ones. The first one is InShot. You guys, this InShot app has made me do high quality engaging content. How has it been? I think I will be popping it on a screen, and you can also find, I'm going to put all the links in the description of this video. And for royal fans and fans who are on Immaculate Show, if you know you're on a subscription, I'm going to put a detailed tutorial step by step, one-on-one. If you know you are a subscriber, you've joined subscription purposely as a fan, please, I'll give it to you. So the InShot this is the app I call Go for Quick. It is Go for Quick and professional video editing, and I carry it on my phone, you guys. This one is very perfect on trimming. It is perfect on adding music, and even it adds filter. You can see, like now, let me show you. This is my natural face, but I will also show you whereby if you feel your video, you're looking, especially when the light is not there, and it adds some good color shade. So this is very good. Why do I use it? And why do I love it? It is user friendly. It makes even my life for editing very smooth. It does not give me hard time. And as a beginner, I recommend you to go for this. How do we use it? You can use it with all the types because it has all ratios. It has for Facebook, it has for Instagram, it has for TikTok, it has for YouTube, all of them. The second app is CapCut. I know every part of the human being here loves CapCut. And I can see it from your videos because most of you use the free version. So when you use the free version, it will bring the watermark. So you love it. The way you love it, it is a powerhouse, by the way, for advanced video editing. If you don't know that, it has features like speed adjustment, it has transitions, it has green screen effects, all these one, it has them. Why do I love it? It has a free version, and is also packed with a lot of premium features. When you go for premium, you are comfortable. Premium is not also expensive. You can go to the app, I'm sure you know the premium. Let's go for the third one that I've used, and it is called Canva. Canva isn't just a graphic. I discovered it recently. You can have something when you don't know it. It's not only for graphics and thumbnail. It can also edit videos and create thumbnails. I've used it for creating thumbnails, my God. And when it reaches on videos, it is perfect. I love it because of its templates. Almost 90% of people that you see with templates, they use Canva. It has both the free version and it has also the premium. When you go to it, you'll find that you can do post in a twinkle of an eye. You can do your presentation like this. So it has very many things. I encourage you as a beginner, please go for it. You can create YouTube thumbnails, you can create Instagram, you can even go up the extent of promoting graphic for your content. Let's talk about Viva Video. Viva Video, I know most of you might not know it. It's a versatile app for both beginners and people like you who have stayed years. It's a mobile thing. It offers for you great templates. I've loved it. This video, I edited it with Viva Video. I love the text and animations is very great, and the way to add music, it's very wonderful. I love it because it creates that appealing look of a video. You guys, without needing that I go to carry the computer, you can use this Viva Video. Let's go to VN. VN is one of the things that has made me earn money. Before I came to know Viva Video, I started with VN. VN is underrated app. You cannot underrate it. It creates long-term content. It offers multi-layers of editing and even transition and keyframes of anime. It has both premium and free. I love it because it has a free, it can give you free without watermark. You can use it. So for people who want to use things which are free and you don't know where did you make it from, I used to see people asking me, where do you make your videos from? I said, they think I make it with VN without any watermark. It's perfect for YouTube videos and vlogs very well. And you can use it to edit your content, symmetrical, for travel, and even you can use it for anything. Can we go to the second part? We have been on the tools that I don't underestimate on editing. Now let me take you to the segment of all-power tools that save time and boost creativity. When I'm talking about these things, I'm just feeling comfortable because even this video, they inspired it. One is ChatGPT. As a creator, planning and scripting critical information and some of your creations, you need ChatGPT. ChatGPT to me has been a game changer. It has been my confider. If you don't know about ChatGPT, please go to your browser, log in, put ChatGPT. You can download it, or you can even go directly and sign up and start using it. I love it because it helps me to brainstorm my ideas. Even this one, I was sleeping, I felt I want to do something about it. Then I went to ChatGPT. I commanded it, and it got me very nice script, and also it gave me very beautiful title of this video. So how do we use it? For you to use it, you have to create outline for videos. Yes, then the second, you write caption and description for my post. You can do like that. You generate CEOs or key searchable words, and they help you. You know, these are the things that help you in ranking your videos. What do you need to do? You need to do ChatGPT for engagement purposes, as in terms of ideas, in terms of liking comments and other things for your audience. There is this one is one of the best, and it is called, guess it, it's VIDQ. VIDQ, if you are serious, you guys, about making money as a creator, you need to go to VIDQ. Download it. It has both the free and the premium. Understanding analytics is not negotiable. Seriously, VIDQ has been a massive help in growing my YouTube channel, as I tell you, as you see it. I love it because it provides me with keywords, insights, and even it optimizes my videos to rank highly. What you do, you can use it for different things. You can use it for thumbnails, you can use it for optimization, you can use it for titles, all other things you can use it. How have these ones? They have helped me in many ways, by the way, these tools, in editing, in optimization, in doing transcript, and even in ranking my videos high. So if I see you as a creator, don't look at me and like, Christine, you're superb. No, in this era, everybody is a wow. What you need to do is to dive higher and do the do's. I always tell you, do. So how many of you do use ChatGPT? And how many of you have at least 3 to 4 editing apps, in particular the ones I've given you. You guys, this is a must-have. If you don't know how to use them, please put it in a comment section and exactly which one. I'll do a video for you.